I'm still all about the comfort food right now, so if you want to join me, let's make some together. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a chicken and rice casserole dish that is really easy to make, and it is great any night of the week. It doesn't take long. Rice, chicken, a bunch of vegetables. We put it all together. Voila. Let's head over to the stovetop and I will take you on a little step-by-step journey to build this together. Start by cooking your rice as directed. I like to use chicken or vegetable stock instead of just water, and then start sauteing all of your vegetables. Anything goes here. I've got broccoli, carrots, peppers, onions, and of course, we need that shredded chicken. If you need the recipe of how to get perfect, juicy, shredded chicken, I will link that in the description. Once your rice is almost at that perfect soft chew, that's when you put it together in with your chicken and your vegetables, because we are gonna add a little bit of cream just to swirl around the pan, and I'm gonna put in some mozzarella cheese, save some for the top as well, but I want some in that creamy mixture in the actual rice and veggie casserole part. I'm just gonna pat it down a little bit just to get an even layer, because we need more cheese. I mean, life is better with cheese, isn't it? Once that cheese is melted on top and you're keeping it warm either in the oven or on the stovetop, you're ready to serve it. If you're making a quick side salad while it's in the oven, that is the perfect time to kind of put that whole dinner together. But you really don't need more than that. Maybe a little sriracha sauce on the top, that might be really good. So, shall we try it? Oh, cheese pulls are my favorite. Some pretty basic flavors, as much veggies as you want. Cook that rice as directed and add flavor. That is comfort. That is delicious. Please try something at home like this and let me know if you like it or what you did differently. Recipes are a guide. Get creative in the kitchen. Thank you so much for coming by, and I will see you again soon, I hope.